In today's video, I'll show you how to set a video as your caller ringtone.
Open your dial and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings and tap on Call Background. Tap on Background, and here you can choose any of this video as your caller background, but I want a video from a gallery that I want to use as my call ringtone. I'll then tap the plus icon in the top right corner here and tap Select from Gallery. I'll then go to my download and select the video. Now the video is too long. What you have to do is to tap in the center on the trim icon, and the video will be trimmed to 15 seconds long. Tap on Done and give it a few seconds for the video to be trimmed. Good. Once that is done, toggle on the button Use Video Sound as Ringtone. Turn it on. Now we can first preview the video. Let me tap this. If you bite the finger with the finger, you how I want it to transfer. Once you preview the video, tap on the Set as Call Background. It's already done. Okay, whenever you receive a call, this is how it's going to be exactly. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.